To duplicate objects manually, all we need to do is hold down the Shift key and transform an object. So I'm going to make more duplicates of these pergola crossbeams here. And let's select one of them in the top viewport and demonstrate. All I need to do is grab the Move tool, hold down the Shift key, and drag to make a duplicate. And when I release the mouse, I get a Clone Options dialog. I can choose to make it a copy, which will make it a completely independent object, an instance, in which the two objects will always share all of the same parameters, or a reference, in which the original object can be built upon. The copy can have more effects applied to it. Well, I want an instance because I want all of these to be exactly the same. Maybe they'll have a different material on them, but their shape will be the same. And again, that will save disk space and memory. And I'll click OK. And that's fine, but I need more precision here. I want to copy a whole bunch of objects at once and maintain the same spacing. So that's where snapping to the grid comes in. We'll take a look at that in the following movie.